What if the secrets to a successful, peaceful, and godly life were already written thousands of years ago? Hidden in a book only a few truly understand. These are not just sayings, they are divine keys for wisdom, discipline, and life itself. Welcome to Proverbs for wisdom and daily living. Let's unlock the ancient wisdom that still speaks to your soul today. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. Proverbs 9 verse 10. It sounds simple, but it's the foundation of everything. True wisdom doesn't begin with knowledge. It begins with humility. The more you understand how small you are before God, the more He reveals His greatness to you. Wisdom isn't about knowing everything. It's about trusting the one who does. Every choice you make, your work, your words, your relationships, starts with this truth. Without God, wisdom is just intelligence. With God, wisdom becomes life direction. Proverbs teaches that the smallest choices shape the biggest outcomes. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He shall direct your paths. Proverbs 3 verse 6. Before every major crossroad, ask, God, what would please you? Before every reaction, ask, what would love do? Before every plan, ask, is this God's will or mine? When you start seeking God's wisdom in small things, He starts opening doors in big things. That's how peace begins to rule your day. Not chaos, not stress, but divine guidance. Your words have power. Proverbs says, death and life are in the power of the tongue. Proverbs 18 verse 21. Every word you speak is a seed. It either grows love or destroys peace. Be careful what you declare over your family, your future, your own soul. Choose to speak life. Say, God is working in me. Say, I will trust and not fear. Say, His grace is enough. Because what you confess daily becomes what you live eternally. Proverbs warns, walk with the wise and become wise, but a companion of fools suffers harm. Proverbs 13 verse 20. Who you walk with determines where you end up. If you walk with gossipers, your peace will die. If you walk with mockers, your faith will fade. But if you walk with believers, your purpose will grow. Ask yourself, who is shaping my soul? Godly friendships aren't about perfection. They're about direction. Proverbs 16 verse 8 says, better a little with righteousness than much gain with injustice. In a world chasing wealth, Proverbs reminds us, integrity is the true currency of heaven. God's favor isn't found in riches. It's found in righteousness. When you live with honesty, humility, and honor, God promotes you in ways money never can, because character is success that never expires. One of the greatest lessons of Proverbs is trust. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding. Proverbs 3 verse 5. When life doesn't make sense, trust Him anyway. When prayers seem unanswered, wait in faith. When your plans fail, remember, His are better. God's wisdom doesn't just change your choices. It changes your heart posture. It turns worry into worship and confusion into peace. The book of Proverbs isn't just ancient advice. It's God's living guidance for today. Every verse is a step toward peace, purpose, and understanding. So before you start your day, open Proverbs, ask for wisdom, and watch how God transforms the ordinary into divine purpose. Because when you walk with wisdom, you walk with God. If this message touched your heart, share it with someone who needs wisdom today. Don't forget to subscribe to Audio Bible Journey for more powerful Bible-based videos every week.